guys, I am Subhash. Today I would like to explain to-do list code behind an application. To-do list is just like a reminder system. For many of the users use to-do list to um, to remember a particular work at certain time. We use to-do list. Basically, to-do list is mainly useful for our students and any of the employees. To-do list is just like a alarm in your phone. Just we know about to-do list. In this code, we would explain to-do list by using JavaScript closures. What is closures? A closure a closure is a feature in JavaScript where an inner function has access to a variable from its outer function, even after outer function executed unwritten. That happens because inner functions retain a reference to scope it was created. The main key features in the closures are it has own scope and the outer function scope and the global scope. Means global scope means we have to access any of the variables from anywhere in the code. But outer function scope means where the variables behind that means behind the function we can use. Own scope means the variable which are in the same function can be used. Mainly, the closures are often used to create a private variables for maintaining the state between the function calls. Next, we know what is callback function and promises and asynchronous function and await function. Basically, coming to first callback function. A callback function when we pass an argument to another function to be executed, which means in this we have to pass an argument which can be executed by other function. Next, uh, uh, it commonly executed asynchronous task means whenever a task is running, another task can be executed with parallel. Now, coming to asynchronous, we can wait until the function is created, until the function is executed. Let us know what is promises. Promises are a value that can be made available to later or never. That means the variables which can be used that can be available for now or later and never. There are three types of they have three states that is pending, unresolved or rejected. They can be easy to manage and as compared to callbacks, which means they can be easily used when they compare to callbacks. Coming to async or await, their built-in promises provide a cleaner syntax. Allow synchronous codes to look asynchronous. Sorry, allow asynchronous codes to look at asynchronous, which means where there is asynchronous functions, we can allow us as a synchronous function. Use async before a function or await to promising gen. That means we have to use async as to a function and await for a promise inside. Next, the main uses of this is we can call back a simple operation or background compatibility. Next, we have to look at the implementation of the to-do list process. Section by using Node.js. Basically, Node.js, when we have to run this code, we have to use node space file name.js. We have given file name as to-do list js. Yes, there is a due date, due letter, and which will where cross indicates we have finished that work at that day. Coming to the code, there is a function which we have created a to-do list. That's it. I will show you. We have to create a to-do list function, which means it create a to-do list. Inside the function, we can declare a task and we a task which stores the multiple values of the certain day you have to wait. And the key point of the task is private because it is accessible directly outside the create class. Then we have to go, which means after creating a task, we have to add the task what you done. We have clearly take that we have added a task for today and yesterday and tomorrow, which means the task is which we want to do in today and yesterday. Sorry, we neglect yesterday and tomorrow, that means future. The task which you have to do per day we have created by this. Then the main function this is here. This is here. This is a to list display the label list, which means the labels which are in audio that can be displayed in it. Then coming to main block of the code is it is for adding um, values or tasks to the to-do list. Clearly indicated. It means it create a mark index, which means it created index for all the tasks. If the task is completed, then it gives true. And if the task is not completed, then false. Then odd means the task where due date is before that, which means it indicates whether the task is how much time require, how many days is there to do the task. It will compare with their present date. Then today date is today means the task which you done today is put in this constant due date, and due later is it will display how what are the tasks we have to do today and what task we have to complete it. If the task is completed, it is denoted with a cross symbol. If the task is not completed, denoted with empty braces. Next, it we see the two high system. It converts any format data into two string method. This is the main important class of Todolist. Thank you.